Welcome to this updated tutorial on how to add an email address to your Facebook account. In today's digital age, keeping your social media profiles up to date is crucial, especially when it comes to your email addresses. Whether you're looking to add a new email for security reasons or simply want to manage multiple accounts, Facebook makes it easy. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Facebook app on your device. You'll land on your home screen, where you'll see a variety of posts and updates from your friends and pages you follow. To start the process, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen. This menu icon is your gateway to all of Facebook's settings and features. Once you've opened the menu, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on this option, and then select Settings from the sub-menu that appears. This will take you to a comprehensive list of settings where you can manage everything from your account information to your app permissions. Now, under the Account Center section, tap on Personal Details. This is where you can update your name, birthday, and other personal information. Scroll down to the Contact Info section and tap on it. Here you'll see all the email addresses and phone numbers currently linked to your Facebook account. To add a new email address, tap on Add New Contact. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to add an email address or a phone number. Choose Add Email Address. You'll then be prompted to enter the new email address you want to add. Make sure to select which accounts you want this email to be associated with, whether it's just Facebook or also Instagram. After entering your email address, Facebook will send a verification code to that email. Retrieve the code from your inbox, enter it into the Facebook app, and tap Next. Once you've confirmed the email, it will be added to your Facebook account. You can now use this email to log in, reset your password, or receive notifications from Facebook. That's it. Adding an email address to your Facebook account is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. By keeping your email up to date, you ensure that you can always access your account and stay connected with friends and family. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials.